Later no transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amathema amaningi athenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So nje namhlanje ngizoqala nje ngeindaba regarding ucoach weKaizer Chiefs. Namhlanje ke besiqala ngqa ukumbona ucoach weKaizer Chiefs ekhuluma nabayindaba yabo. So ubezoletha nje ireport regarding iKaizer Chiefs njoba nje ihambile for ipreseason tour adebele eSpain beyodlala ama games abo. Remember ke kune game ebalekile abazoyidlala ngesonto against iScotland FC. So nje ade khuluma nabayindaba namhlanje bambuzile imibuzo eminingi kodwa ke nayi ingxoxo engenze ngajabula kakhulu. Ushilo ukuthi ke akazili ukuzodlala kweKaizer Chiefs userious ngempela ukwimission yangempela uthi each and every game ayidlalelayo udlalela ukuyiwina and ke ileague imarathon yabo ngeke uzuyiwine ngoDecember ngeke uzuyiwine ngoJanuary kodwa ke each and every cup ekhona ezodlalela kweBetway Premiership next season ufuna ukuyithatha yonke ngabi Nedbank Cup ngabi Carling Knockout kungabi MTA Net kungabi Betway Premiership ufuna ukwathatha wonke lawo ma-cups even nayo CAF Confederation. I like mentality yakhe ucoach. Let's hope uzokwazi ke awalethe ama-cups kuyona iKaizer Chiefs. Ama fans kade ke ayigcina ama-cups amaningi. The last cup iKaizer Chiefs yayithola back bedlala neOrlando Pirates. If you remember leya Soweto derby leya yeNedbank Cup yabo. Ulethe neindaba regarding uThabo Cele washo ukuthi ke uThabo Cele is one of the midfielders akhona kwiKaizer Chiefs but ke akekho kuma plans wakhe njoba nje isizini izoqala. Kodwa ke kuneindaba engiyizwile ngayo uThabo Cele. uThabo Cele ke bafethu ufunwa iclub enkulu khona la eKZN ebizwa ngamaZulu FC. Usuthu ke bafethu olmaphesha nkone liyamfuna lo mdlali lo okuThabo Cele azodlala kuona amaZulu. Behind the scenes kuyakhulunywa kuneyingxoxo eyikhona umjida ngenzeka nje a-revealwe soon as the new amaZulu midfielder yabo. Kwezinye izindaba ngisakubona nje bafethu amaZulu. If you remember Orlando Pirates had a player last season abambiza ngoNeo Mokoena. Athi ke lo mdlalo abakhetha ukuthi ke bamlone out lo mdlalo loyo ayodlalela iPelepele FC Orlando Pirates yabo. Kuphuma indaba ukuthi ke uNeo Mokoena ureleasewe Orlando Pirates kahle kahle lezo indaba lezo zireleaswe iagency yakhe umfana yabo. So uNeo Mokoena currently uyi free agent and ke amaZulu ayamfuna lo mdlali lo kungenzeka ke announce as a new player wamaZulu same as ubani na uThabo Cele. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu uKaizer Junior Mtaung uphumile ubala kulamampungi ade show online ukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs ilinkwe with uMaduna. Washo ukuthi ke again we are not linked with yena uMaduna yabo. uMaduna ke lo obedlalela iTS Galaxy obegquna number 10 currently umjida uyi free agent akekho linked with yona inina iKaizer Chiefs kuyisho lo yona ke iSD yakhe iSD iKaizer Chiefs yaphumela ubala. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile the former Orlando Pirates midfielder okusiphelo baloni umjida usejoyine iLeicester City. Remember ke lo mjida lo wareleasewa iOrlando Pirates and sekuphele isikhathi eside kakhulu engalidlala ibhola. Umjida walimala wathola iinjury ende kakhulu so usebuyile kumjida usejoyine iLeicester City. uSiphamandla Mdunge umjida uspend enda isizini kuyona iLeicester City from iOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates decide ukuthi ke imlone kuyona iLeicester City okuba na okusiphamandla Mdunge. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke iAfcon icala la khona lisaqhubeka. If you remember the last AFCON esasinayo kwakudlala ifinal iMorocco against iSenegal lapho khona sabona iMorocco ishawa yona iSenegal kuma extra time. Kodwa ke kwaba khona into ekhona lapho engabanga right lapho khona sibona abadlali bayo iSenegal bephuma emidlalweni usadlala umdlalo yabo base bebuya ke waqhubeka umdlalo base beyiwina leyo game kwayiwa ke kumacala sathola kombiko ukuthi ke iSenegal isishayiwe yaphucwa yona indebe yanikezwe iMorocco. Yaya ko aphila ke iSenegal kuthiwa ke icala lisaqhubeka kodwa ke ihearing sizoyithola kahle kwiCAS kwiCourt of Arbitration for Sports yabo. Icala ke lizobe ngomhla 8 October lapho khona kuyodicidwa kahle ukuthi kahle kahle ubani owayiwina iAfcon ngalo la suku lolya. Sonke ke siyazi ukuthi ke yipi team eyayiwina iAfcon. I feel like this is a waste of time but ke let's see bathini bona ngokubona kwabo ngokulandela kahle imithetho. Ungangitshela ama comments how do you feel regarding lolu daba lolu yabo. Ngisakuyona nje bafethu iAfcon elandelayo iyodlala le eKenya and ke ama club ke lapho azo expandwa to 24 teams. I-tournament izodlala from uJune 19 until uJuly 17 2027 next year. Kuyindaba ezinhleke lezi for ama nations angajwayela ukuqualify for yona iAfcon. Sizobona nje ama nations amaningi ethola ithuba lawo ukuthi ke aqualify imali. Maybe sizoyibona iLesotho, maybe sizowabona ama team ahlukahlukene. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu, iKaizer Stars are in talks to sign i-defender uLesego Sebetla after umjida eshiye University of Pretoria. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke iCape Town City namhlanje they announced their new signing okuba okuChislin Philander. Kwezinye futhi zindaba eziphumile uTseho Faso Mabasa uthiwa ke umjida kukhona ama team amaningi amfunayo. Remember he was linked with iPyramids FC. Kodwa ke iPyramids ayisekho yodwa kwi-race yokumsayina umjida. Kune club ekhona eNorth Africa ebizwa ngeMaghreb des Fes. Le club ke le isinikeze i-offer ukuthi ke ayoyijoyina le club. Singesazi maningi ama team akhona currently amfunayo umjida, but ke kukuyena ukuthi ke iyiphi team azoya kuyona azoyijoyina as a free agent. Remember phela uRulani Mgwena uyafuna ukuthi ke asebenze naye umjida, maybe usazokwazi ukuthi ke amconvince amjoyine. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile iMamelodi Sundowns ilone abadlali okuNtando Nkosi ona 22, uThando Buthelezi ona 23 noThulani Zamandela ona 24. Abajida currently they are training with iMaromo Gallants. Okuyindaba ezimnandi ke lezi ezenziwe iMamelodi Sundowns babayise kuma team akhona kwiBetway Premiership labajida labade bedlala kwiDDC. Indaba eziphumile kabafethu ke iKaizer Stars isayine a new goalkeeper okuba okuGawugelo sithi kubedlalela iBaroka previously. iBaroka ke yayise irelegator bamthola ke umjida bamsayina. Izindaba eziphumile namhlanje iDurban City announce ama signings ayo amasha namhlanje okuSeth Grinjwane Mbona, Ayilo Senga umjida bedlalela iCape Town Spurs if I'm not mistaken, if you remember. Kubukabelo Mfukeng, kube uSiyam Somi, kube uGustin Sirino umjida bedlalela iKaizer Chiefs. Base kuba ke uJohn Mokome. Namhlanje announce bonke labadlali laba ngingamshike bafethu uLifa umjida ke nayo announce. So they announced 8 players. 8 players yabo ukuba uGreen Sirino, Makau Mfukeng, Somi, Piper noma uPaper lo angikwazi ukulibiza lela gama. Cala correct lapho kuma comments. Kuba uMokone, kuba uSenga. Yabo ibona ke labadlali laba aba-announcewe as the new signings of Durban City. Strong signings. I like the fact that baba announce kanje. Remember phela ke iDurban City ilahlekele lo mdlali lo bambiza ngoba Goodman Musele. uGoodman Musele ke he was announced by yona iDurban City, but ke yafika iChippa United yayiseke imphuca lo mdlali yamthenga permanently from iOrlando Pirates. He was on loan kuyona iDurban City. He was not on permanent kuyona iDurban City. Yabo, he was on loan. So ihambe ngemuva iChippa United yakhuluma neOrlando Pirates yasho ukuthi ke you cannot just loan that player kuyona iDurban City. Why don't we buy the player from you, because it seems like you are not using the player. It was a good move by yona iDurban City ukuthi ke baye ngemuva bayomthenga lo mdlali lo permanently. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, remember the story I broke yesterday about uJona Fabish. Lo mjida ke bafethu ngenzeka asignwe amanye ama club akhona. Currently umjida uyi-free agent yabo, akhona ama club amfunayo. Golden Arrows singenile kwi-race ifuna ke i-replace Isaac Sise. Ngiyamkhumbula ke uSise umjida obedlalelayo noGolden Arrows. Currently umjida usedlala le Belgium, kodwa ke bafuna a replace yena uSise.